As you know, we're here every Saturday and Sunday to talk about current events. And today, friends, we're going to discuss all the achievements that have been made in our Electroatom project. Hi everyone, and stay tuned. This is Josu Dioba. We're starting our news by talking about Mali, where a conference will be held on October 25th, starting at 9 a.m. at the Impact Hub. It will be led in Bamako by our representative, Traore Bakary. So, for everyone in Mali who is interested in the Electroatom project and would like more information about how this project aims to address all the electricity problems, come and join us. Don't forget, if you're in Mali, if you're in Bamako, hurry up and come attend this conference organized by Electroatom. Now let's head to Ouagadougou in Burkina Faso at the Nima Academy Hotel. So we are going to organize a conference on the 2nd of the 11th month on November 2nd, which will be led by our representative Ousmane Zongo and his team, who will come to talk about the technology and also discuss everything related to investment in the Electroatom project. This is a big step and it deserves to be congratulated and encouraged. We encourage our national representative of Burkina Faso. If you are in Ouagadougou, hurry to come to Nima Academy. I repeat, starting from 1 p.m. on November 2nd, come in large numbers to attend this all-expenses-paid conference. We would like to congratulate our friends in India on Diwali, the Festival of Lights. To everyone in India, we are thinking of you. We want to congratulate you. I believe it is the new year in India. So to all those people, please enjoy your stay and also enjoy this festival that is being held. And so we are together. Happy Festival of Lights to you. Now, let's talk about the race for partners, which is still ongoing, my friends. We are starting again this week to talk about the race for partners. Minhang Twain is in first place with over 20%. Second place goes to Vamara with more than 14%. And in third position, Ousmane Zongo from Burkina Faso also had 14%. So both had 14%, which shows that the race for partners is ongoing. Don't forget that you could win a Shanghai Unique car as a prize. And this race for partners lasts a whole year, so hurry up and increase your chances of being the lucky winner. It's not over yet. And we truly believe in you. We honestly think you could be the one to win the prize. The equipment for the first power plant is rapidly expanding and thriving. Friends, don't forget to invest and make the Electroatom project your priority. So we have found a piece of land, we have found a space where we installed the container, and in this container, we will very soon also install the power plant. Tests will be conducted, videos are already on YouTube, you can follow along. And let's not forget that we worked on the design. We came up with it, we made a drawing, we created the model to help people believe in this project. To that end, more videos will be available very soon. You will be able to follow along and see exactly how this 16 kilowatt power plant operates. It will very soon be connected to a house and we will run tests. We will show you that the electricity provided meets all our needs. And don't forget to keep supporting and spreading the project around the world. To that end, we will also demonstrate quite a few things, and at this point we have made great progress. Soon the videos will be available and you will be able to get them to learn more about the project. Don't forget to invest to purchase packages. It's a good thing, but also remember to take care of any outstanding debts. Don't forget to pay your installments as well. It's true that there are a lot of delays. Hurry up, especially if you are behind on your installment payments. Remember, we need your funding to acquire patents, register trademarks, and promote the project worldwide. So please hurry up if you are currently behind on your payments, your monthly installments, your scheduled payments, or your investment packages. Take action and do it now to help the company stay financially healthy and continue to move forward. Thank you for following us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been fruitful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave likes, comments, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't hesitate to speak up, to give your opinion about this video and also about the Electroatom project. We are here for you and we'll see you next week for a new edition. Goodbye.